How are you today? Welcome to today's video. This video brings to you ECOBOX 640. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing shipping container house design. Good, welcome back. So this video brings to you ECOBOX 640. This is a modern shipping container house designed using two 40-foot shipping containers to create a 640 plus square feet house. This video covers a complete presentation of dimension drawings, a cost estimate checklist, 3D floor plans, and a full color presentation of pictures you can download for free to use in your own shipping container house project. Watch to the end of the video for you to find the link to download the floor plans and a cost estimate checklist to guide you on your container house project. We post weekly videos on custom designed shipping container houses, so feel free to subscribe to our channel for our weekly inspiration on amazing design ideas. To start us off, we'll look at the design concept. So as I had indicated earlier, this project is designed using two high cube 40-foot shipping containers which have been placed parallel to one another, and they have been covered with a flat roof, and on the sides they have been encased using an elaborate screen made from vertical wooden fins, which give this house its amazing look and the serpentine form that defines the general outlook of this design. So if you go to the design brief, the house accommodates the following salient features. We have a lounge space, we have a dining bench which can also act as a study table, we have a kitchen, we have a guest bedroom, we have a children's bedroom, we have a common bathroom, we have a master bedroom, we have a covered walkway, which is an amazing space that shields the interior spaces from direct solar radiation. We have a covered carport. We have a nice and an elegant, elaborate outdoor sitting space, which can also accommodate an outdoor dining table. And then we also have a private outdoor sitting space for the master bedroom at the rear of the building. So that is what we managed to accommodate in these two shipping containers. So next we'll look at the foundation. As usual, we prefer using a reinforced concrete pier foundation because it allows us to elevate the containers off the ground. So we do at least 450 millimeters off the ground, and the advantage of doing that is to keep the containers away from moisture, and you know moisture is really a nuisance when it comes to steel, and also to allow us to do our plumbing with ease. So we've managed to screen the underside of the deck using timber screens, and also we've softened the edges using planters. So we have a nice deck which also acts as a family terrace, and this particular one we've covered it with a flat roof which spans across the entire house from the covered carport to the rear of the house, where we have a private outdoor seating for the master bedroom. So next we'll look at the structure and modifications. Basically the containers are intact. We haven't modified anything big on the outside of the containers apart from the fenestrations that we put in to accommodate the folding doors for the sitting room and also the folding doors for the master bedroom. Otherwise the windows are minimal in size. We've retained the original container doors to allow us to access the outdoor sitting space or the family terrace, and then we've also managed to create an open plan living room. So in this particular instance, then we had to cut off a bit of steel, and therefore as usual we have to reinforce it using steel beams and steel sections for the vertical members. So next we'll look at the interior design. As usual, we suggest you adopt a minimalist interior design whereby you manage to only at least use simple furniture. Yeah, you can use folding chairs, you can use easy chairs for the sitting room, you can use Murphy beds for the bedrooms. Yeah, and you consider also using flat packs for the kitchen cabinets and also for the wardrobes, because they're easy to use and also they come slightly cheaper as compared to custom-made design. The colored finishes for the house, you use light colored finishes or paint to make the house look a bit spacious, and also to avoid that to kill the claustrophobic feel of living in a shipping container house. So you can consider other sustainable materials like bamboo, yeah, for the floor and also for the walling, and consider also adequate daylighting so that you can minimize the use of electricity for lighting purposes. So during the day, maximum natural lighting from direct solar radiation, and also you can allow also good ventilation by providing adequate windows and doors for that. So on the outdoor and the exteriors, we provided enough sitting space. We have a nice hallway, which is a walkway linking the private side of the house and the more public side of the house. We have a family terrace. Yeah, we also have decided to retain the containers as they are. What we've done, we've covered it with a nice serpentine form of vertical wooden fins, which make the house look quite an amazing house. You can barely tell it's a shipping container house because of what we've done. So it was a nice and an ingenious way of just giving it a bit of character so that we can hide the containers in the inside and also create the envelope, or what we would call the clothing on the outside of the shipping containers. So you can try out different materials. For us, we use timber, so if you feel there's another material you can try out, then feel free to do so. So next we look at the insulation and the temperature control. As usual, if you're in the tropics, keep away the heat. If you're in the cold climates, keep away the moisture and keep away cold. So in this particular instance, for the tropics, you can use very minimal insulation because the temperature allows. For the cold climates, try out spray foam insulation because it has a good moisture barrier and also it gives you nice R values for the insulation purposes. Next, we look at the drawings and details. We have given you a list of all the drawings you can use for inspiration. We have colored floor plans. We also have the floor plans in grayscale. Yeah, we have all the elevations there for in color and also in grayscale. So use them for inspiration, and if you feel like there are things you need to remove or add, feel free to do so, so that at least you can move forward and have your container project up and going. Next, we look at the cost estimate checklist. This one we provide is a list of items, is an itemization of all the things you can use for this project. So feel free to remove what you don't need and add what you feel you've forgotten, and it helps you to just guide you on what you need to put in for budgeting purposes and also for project planning. So feel free to have a look at it. We will also have to look at other designs we've done for further inspiration. So you can have a look at all of them that are given in the link in the description below. Yeah, we have small projects like ECOBOX 160. We have big projects like SHEARBOX 1290, and we have also SHEARBOX 920. So all that is provided for you. So have a look at all those designs, and every design has different and unique features that you can adopt from one design, one feature, another design, you pick in another feature, and so on and so forth, so that at least by the end of the day you can combine all of them to form an interesting project that you can find appealing to you. So what do you feel about our new house design? If you have any questions, feel free to ask by posting in the comments below. Yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also feel free to share it. Yeah, remember to subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed, and we also suggest you visit our website where you can download all the plans and pictures for your container house project. And if you have any questions, feel free to also consult us on our website. If you want to buy blueprints of this design and any other house design we've done, feel free to consult us on our website by sending us an email, or also contact us on our contact list on our website. So thank you for your time, and hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.